Trunk Box Installation Guide. Step 1. Install the base. Secure the base using 3 sets of number 5 screws and nuts as indicated in the top left corner of the image. Step 2. Install the universal base. Install the small nuts shown in the diagram onto the universal base. Pre-install the base using 4 number 4 screw assemblies. Do not fully tighten them yet. Adjust the angle of the universal base, then fully tighten the screws. Step 3. Install the box handle. Place washers onto the 4 number 1 screws, then attach the handle and tighten the screws. Step 4. Secure the box. Align the slots on the bottom of the box with the mounting tabs and attach the box. Remove the foam insert, place washers onto the number 3 screws, and secure the box firmly. Finally, reinstall the foam insert. Step 5. Check the box latch. Verify that the box latch functions correctly.